OBD2 scanners lets you diagnose your vehicle's problems, check emissions, and even see a car's true mileage. But with so many scanners out there, choosing the right one can be confusing. Don't worry, this video will cut through the confusion and show you exactly what to look for. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about what you want your scanner to do. Your purpose, preference, and budget. Are you looking for simple basic scanner? Maybe you want to read simple generic fault codes and clear them yourself. Or advanced ones, there are scanners with features from more in-depth car diagnostics. Or are you looking mechanic-level diagnostic tools? Some scanners offer professional-level tools for serious car enthusiasts. Next, think about what works best for you, wired or wireless. Decide if a physical connection to your car or a wireless option is more convenient. Do you need a pocket-sized scanner or one with a larger screen for better viewing? Choose between battery-powered scanners for portability or ones that get power from your car. Basic scanners. Here's what you should expect from scanners that cost around $30. Read and erase basic fault codes from your engine and transmission. This helps you understand basic car troubles. Check if your car is ready to pass an emissions test with the IEM readiness feature. See a freeze frame of what was happening when a fault code occurred. Get real-time readings from a few key sensors to diagnose problems on the go. Access basic vehicle information like VIN, model, and year. Get step-by-step instructions on completing the drive cycle needed for some smog checks. Make sure your scanner works with common OBD2 protocols for broad compatibility. Understand the meaning of those fault codes with built-in code definitions. An advanced scanner unlocks a more diagnostic power. It goes deeper with access to manufacturer-specific DTCs for a more precise diagnosis. Scan a wider range of vehicle modules, including engine, ABS, airbags, battery management, transmission, and more. They offer bidirectional control, allowing you to perform tasks like DPF regeneration, SAS resets, ABS bleeding, EPB service, BMS resets, and even transmission adaptations. Monitor live data from all vehicle sensors in real time. Capture extensive freeze frame data to pinpoint the exact moment an issue occurred. Get insights into the cause of failures and even recommended repair solutions. Some scanners can even program new keys or reset existing ones. Retrieve even permanent codes for a complete diagnostic history. Advanced scanners has capability for compatibility with modern car systems. Super advanced scanners, these are for ultimate car enthusiast or professional mechanic. With these scanners you can perform ECU online coding, allowing customization of various vehicle settings on compatible models. They got high-resolution touchscreen for easy navigation and viewing of complex data. These scanners are also compatible with luxury vehicles, offering comprehensive diagnostic capabilities for high-end cars. They have powerful CPU and ample storage to handle demanding tasks and store diagnostic data. Bidirectional control goes even further, allowing advanced actuation tests like all resets, ABS bleeding, EPB service, SAS resets, DPF regeneration, BMS resets, and more. You can perform a wide range of advanced tests like throttle position reset, TPMS reset, injector coating, headlight adjustments, transmission adaptations, air-fuel ratio resets, electronic pump activation, ECU configuration, seat matching, suspension adjustments, airbag resets, EGR system relearning, and AC system relearning. We've explored different scanner levels based on your preference and budget. Don't get me wrong. These are just some guiding points, not clear-cut classification. There are a lot of overlap of functionalities between our categorization. The best scanner for you depends on your budget, needs, and car knowledge. Here I will provide what exactly do you need to look beyond functionality when buying OBD2 scanners. Make sure your scanner offers free and regular updates to stay compatible with newer vehicles and technologies. Be aware of any internal subscriptions required for certain features. Consider if these ongoing costs fit your budget. Look for a scanner with a fast processor and quick boot-up time for a smooth user experience. How quickly can the scanner identify trouble codes and display details? This can be crucial for efficient repairs. Avoid scanners with laggy menus or slow display response for frustration-free troubleshooting. For advanced scanners, consider CPU and storage capacity. Choose a scanner with a clear and intuitive interface for easy navigation and understanding of complex information. Look for a scanner with a logical menu structure, making it easy to find features like freeze-frame data, IDEM readiness checks, and specific settings. Look for scanners with hotkeys for frequently used functions like DTC checks, IAM readiness, and VIN retrieval for quicker access depending on preference. A comfortable, grippy scanner is essential for easy handling, especially when working under the hood. Consider a screen size that's comfortable for you to read data on. Good resolution ensures clear viewing of complex information. How many data points can the scanner display on a single screen? Finding the right balance between information density and readability is key. Choose a scanner that supports a wide variety car make and model. Consider popular scanners with positive user reviews. This can be a good indicator of real-world performance and reliability. Opt for a scanner with Bluetooth connectivity for a convenient wireless connection to your smartphone or tablet. Look for a scanner with a well-built body that can withstand the bumps and jostles of everyday use in your garage. Now that you're armed with knowledge on scanner types and selection criteria, we're getting close to picking your perfect match. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on these scanner recommendations and future car care tips. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when the next video drops. Here are my best basic scan tools. You can find the link to these scanners in the description. Ansel AD310 is a solid option for someone who wants a basic, user-friendly scanner to read and clear trouble codes. It is very popular and best-selling scanner on Amazon. It reads and clears trouble codes. It supports all OBD2 protocols. It is sturdy and compact. Innova 5310 is a good choice for those who want a basic to mid-range diagnosis. It is Bluetooth capable. It can perform ABS and SRS diagnostics beyond engine. It offers live data monitoring and IAM test readiness features and more. Panlong. This is simple wireless scanner that works with Android devices. You can read and clear codes with it. The scanner also displays the meaning of trouble codes, helping you understand the problem without needing to look them up elsewhere. The Nexus Next Link. This is a new scanner with a lot of interesting option for its range of features. It offers features established brands haven't yet incorporated. It is motorcycle compatible, which is nice for those who work on both cars and motorcycles. It offers live data streaming, battery health checks, IAM readiness checks, and generates diagnostic reports. While the extent of coding might be limited, it suggests the scanner might offer some level of customization beyond just reading and clearing codes. AutoLink L329 OBD2 scanner. It covers the core OBD functions like reading and clearing codes, retrieving vehicle identification numbers automatically, and performing emission monitor tests to check smog readiness. Live data streaming allows you to monitor engine parameters in real time for better diagnostics. Built-in code lookup helps you understand the meaning of trouble codes. Compatibility with controller area network ensures it can work with modern car systems. Innova 5610. This is a bidirectional scan tool. It offers advanced diagnostics beyond just engine codes. Topton 8500. This is a bidirectional scan tool and compelling choice for an advanced scanner with a good balance of features and user experience. It has the capability to perform various resets beyond just reading trouble codes. It possesses a user-friendly interface with a large touchscreen and ample storage. They also offer lifetime free software updates. Launch Creator Elite to 100 OBD2 scanner. It can diagnose issues beyond just the engine, covering ABS, SRS, and transmission control systems. It supports all 10 OBD test modes, including live data streaming, onboard monitor testing, viewing freeze-frame data, readiness status checks, oxygen sensor testing, and component testing. This allows for in-depth diagnostics of various vehicle systems. It has graphing capabilities can help you visualize live data trends. The Topton Artodiag 900 Light Bidirectional Scan Tool sounds like a powerful option in the super scanner category, offering a wide range of features for serious car enthusiasts and professionals. This scanner boasts the ability to scan practically all available modules in a vehicle, going far beyond the typical engine, ABS, and SRS systems. This allows for incredibly comprehensive diagnostics. It has good CPU that ensures quick operation, while the 10,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use during diagnostics. It has extensive bidirectional control as it allows sending commands to a vast array of vehicle components, including injectors, pumps, windows, lights, and more. This enables in-depth testing and actuations for troubleshooting. This scanner offers a wider range of reset functions compared to previous options, including all resets, throttle adaptations, electronic parking brake resets, steering angle resets, DPF regeneration for diesel vehicles, ABS bleeding for brake systems, battery management system resets, and even airbag resets. Repair assistance. For some vehicles, the scanner provides access to DTC repair guides, which can be helpful in understanding and fixing issues identified by trouble codes.